4 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3/4 teaspoon of clove, 1/4 teaspoon of, what was that? Star anise. And then this is going to be 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle. Give it a nice little spice. So I'm gonna mix that all together. Now you could put a tablespoon of this directly in your teacup to steep, or you can use a tea sachet and give it, depending on like how intense the flavor you want. So I'll give it 2 scoops. Pull this nice and tight and give it a tie. Or you could use a tea ball. But for me, with these spices, I think the tea ball, the holes will make some of that grit come through. So for ground spices and chai, I don't like the tea ball too much. And then that can go directly into your teacup. Or you can be fancy and use a clear teapot that has a little metal diffuser inside of there. And we'll go 1, and we'll go 2. I like to sweeten mine with coconut sugar. Add some milk. Steeped my chai blend for about 3 minutes. And a nice morning cup of chai.